Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about interaction. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about interaction by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equal to number 4 sin t. So if I put this one go in here, we have 16 sin t square, number 16. We can do about factorization. Sin t square plus 1, we change cos t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. ds we have 4 cos t dt. So I will put this one go in here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 16 sin t square, number 16. We can do about factorization. Next, sin t square plus 1, we change cos t square. The square root of 16 cos t square, we have 4 cos t. And now we need to simplify, and we have dt. The integration of dt, we have t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 4. And we have t equals to arc sin of s over 4. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.